In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Microsoft Word link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a document for school, a report for work, or just sharing notes with a friend, being able to easily access and share your Word documents online can save you a lot of time and hassle. This guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly so you can get your work shared with others in no time. To start with, you're going to want to access Microsoft 365 online. Simply open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft website. They'll provide a range of online services including Word, which you can use directly from your browser. This is particularly handy if you're on a device that doesn't have the full version of Word installed. Once on the website, it's time to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts on the screen. Remember, having an account not only allows you to access Word, but also gives you a host of other applications like Excel and PowerPoint, making it a valuable tool for both work and study. Now that you're signed in, click on the Word icon on the home page. This will open up a list of your documents, or if you're starting fresh, a blank document where you can start creating. If you're continuing with an existing document, select it to open. This step is crucial because you need to have the specific document you want to share on the screen to proceed with the next steps. With your document open, let's direct our attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Share button. It's hard to miss and typically indicated with an icon that resembles a person and a plus sign. Click on this button to bring up a new menu. Sharing your document now becomes easy. You'll notice a variety of options allowing you to specify how you want to share your document and with whom. The next button you'll be looking for is Copy Link. Before doing so, however, ensure that your sharing settings are correctly configured to match your preferences. This might mean allowing others to edit the document or simply view it. After setting it up, click on Copy Link. This action generates a unique link to your document that you can then paste into an email, a message, or any other form of communication you prefer. And that's how you effortlessly copy a Microsoft Word link in just a few steps. By following this guide, you're now equipped to share your documents with ease, making collaboration simpler than ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you in your journey with Microsoft Word.